Sometimes the best thing you can do for your future is to disappear. Not from people, not from the world, but from the version of yourself that keeps holding you back. The version that's too loud on social media, too eager for validation, too afraid to be misunderstood. Because transformation doesn't start when everyone notices you. It starts when no one does. When you quietly choose to detach, withdraw, and rebuild in secret. Disappear, not to escape, but to evolve. Disappearing isn't running away. It's a reset. It means stepping back from noise, distractions, and the constant need to prove something. You stop explaining yourself. You stop chasing trends. You stop showing progress before you've made it. You go silent, not because you have nothing to say, but because you're learning to let your results speak instead. It's the season where you decline unnecessary hangouts, mute group chats, log off social apps, and tune into something greater, yourself. When you disappear, you meet the real you, without filters, noise, or applause. That's where the work begins. You confront your habits, your mindset, your fears, your weaknesses. You start fixing what no one claps for: discipline, focus, consistency, faith. This is the hard part. No one is watching. No one is cheering. No one knows what you're building. But in that silence, something changes. Your thoughts sharpen, your emotions mature, your desires align. You stop craving recognition and start craving results. That's when you know you're transforming. Then one day you reappear, but not as the same person who vanished. You come back sharper, quieter, stronger. People start asking, "Where have you been?" But you've been exactly where you needed to be, in the shadows doing the unseen work. And the best part? The version of you that left never comes back. You stopped needing validation. You stopped living for attention. You started living for purpose. You didn't just disappear, you transformed. So if life feels loud, if you're stuck, if you're lost, maybe it's time. Disappear. Reclaim your focus. Protect your peace. Rebuild in silence. When you return, the world will see the difference, but you will know the depth of the transformation. Because this journey is not about becoming visible. It's about becoming valuable. The journey is hard, but your path is limitless.